Hello, welcome back. Today's video, I am so excited to be unboxing my Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of April, and the theme this month is spring on the horizon. We're already in spring here. It's summer every day here, but we're technically in spring. If you want to know everything that came in this box and how it performed, then keep on watching. I need to be super honest. When I saw everything in this box, I was like, why is there so much eyeshadow? Why is there so much in this thing? You will see why in a moment. Also, this video features a watch fully. The first item in my box is the Good to Go palette by Ofra Cosmetics. This retails for $39. You won't need anything besides this palette, foundation, and lipstick to complete a beautiful look. This palette contains a value of $109, all-in-one, easy to take with you palette. This palette contains blush, bronzer, a highlighter, and 7 beautiful eyeshadow shades. I actually already owned this palette but in different packaging, but like I don't care. That's why we're doing a little giveaway with this palette today. That will be towards the end of the video where I will get into that, but I want to talk about this palette. So I think this is a very cute travel palette. I don't love the eyeshadow selection in here. I feel like it's very outdated now. I definitely did use the bronzer and the blush for my eye looks today though, and I like the shimmers of the Ofra palettes. I think they're very pretty. The highlighter in the center definitely steals the show of this palette, and the fact that you can use the bronzer on your eyes and your cheeks and the blush. So basically you have this all-in-one palette. You can use everything everywhere, and I think it's a very nice palette. I don't love the color story here, but you can just take single shades, like use this red with this copper, or this beautiful like orangey terracotta with this color, or you can take the bronzer like I did today mixed with the highlighters. Also, the highlighter has 4 other different shades you can take because it's like one of those like split pan highlighters. So yeah, I think I got this in a boxycharm a while back. Everything in here also is refillable, so if by chance you do run out of one of these, you can replace it. You can replace it with whatever color I think you want if you just want to have the palette, which is pretty nice that you can. Honestly, I have a ton of Ofra eyeshadows and a ton of Ofra products in general. I feel like I can switch them out because they're all magnetic, and I feel like that would be so fun. I went on a tangent, but I feel like for $39 you get a full face basically. Perfect for spring. I think the colors are very refreshing for the springtime. They're just not what I'm vibing with currently. The next item is the Multichrome Liquid Eyeshadow by Charmacy Global. This does retail for $12. Do not be fooled by the color in the bottle. This is magic in a bottle. This can be used on its own or as an eyeshadow topper. Once this product sets, it can no longer be blended out, or you will start to see it get patchy. Make sure you work quickly and apply plenty. I couldn't get this to work for me. Once I read the description, I knew that this was not gonna work for me the way I wanted it to, but it looks so pretty and like swatched out. Oh my god, like I just wanted to wear it. I wanted to like only wear this on the lid, and it just didn't work. I'm leaving the clip in because I still wanted to, like, you know, show you what it looked like. I just couldn't get it to look good. It started to get patchy like it says, and I tried to apply more quickly, and like this was all in a matter of seconds. Like the clip isn't that long and I fucked it up. I don't know, but I used this still. I used it today like in the bottom inner corner like I like to do, because I feel like that's the only way I can get use out of liquid eyeshadows, because any other way they just don't work for me. Like, I have hooded eyes in a way, like my eyelids touch, and it can be very annoying with liquid eyeshadows because they just rub off, and I'm just like, oh, there goes all my work. Okay. But yeah, I feel like this one is definitely one I would put on my inner corners and on like the bottom like I do. But for the entire lid, I feel like I need to try it again. The next item was the matte liquid lipstick by Beauty for Certain. This retails for $22. There are a few shade variations of this matte lipstick. These are pigmented matte lipsticks be sure to prep your lips with a lip balm to avoid dry lips. You can also top it with a clear gloss. I don't love this either. First of all, the color I got is definitely not my color. This is, I don't know, I just don't vibe with it. It's like this really bright purple. Why am I getting a purple lipstick? I don't see myself using this, honestly. But I wanted to try it because you never know. But now I know that this is just no. I don't love it. Also, it smells and feels like those fake Kylie Cosmetic lipstick sets that you would find on Wish and AliExpress. Yeah, I bought that because I wanted to be Kylie Jenner when I was younger, but I couldn't afford real Kylie, so I went on AliExpress and Wish to buy my fake Kylie so I can be like real Kylie on a budget. And it smelled and performed just like this. And I'm here like, why are you charging $22 for this if you can go on AliExpress and you can probably still find those Kylie Jenner lipstick sets? It just smells weird. And then it tells you to apply 1 to 2 layers. This is sticky. Like, it feels like there's glue in here. Like, isn't that the thing? There was glue in those fake Kylie Jenner lip kits. That's what this smells like, bro. I'm not kidding. I don't know. I don't know about that one. I don't know. Like, the eyeshadow, I'll take the eyeshadow over this any day. Period. The next item is the Duochrome Duo by Chantico Beauty. This is exclusive only to the Eyescream Beauty Box. This has a value of $20. I love the little packaging. This is so cute. It comes with one of those little dinosaur aged eyeshadow applicators that we no longer use or see. But this is what the Duo looks like, and it's really, really pretty. I am using one color on this eye and one color on this eye because I have used the palette before. I didn't want to solely just rely on the palette, and I know Ofra's eyeshadow formula very well, and I wanted to have some fun with the duochromes and the multichromes in here, and I really love it. I honestly, personally, I liked this shade on this eye better. I feel like this is the multi-chrome, but this one is actually stunning as well, and I did put this one on this eye with the blush, and this one is with the bronzer on the Ofra palette. Really enjoyed this. This is so cute. This is going in my singles drawer though. It's like a little duo of shimmer. I feel like you need to pair this with something else, which I love that they did include that Ofra palette to help you create looks with this. And then the last item in my box was the lip gloss topper by Dulce. This retails for $23. This is a variation item. The glossy top coat provides a multi-dimensional and vibrant shine, perfect for taking your look to the next level. I love clear gloss. I have a lot of clear gloss, and I have this thing where I don't want to use the clear gloss. Like, I want to keep my clear gloss clear. I feel like I'm just gonna do the thing with this one because, like, I got it in this box and it was like, you know, there's no scent. It's not sticky. It's thick. It's a thick gloss, but it's not sticky. Like, the Summer Fridays lip oil is stickier than this is. Like, this is pretty nice. It's a very thick formula. I really enjoy this formula, and I think it really did take my lip combo from 0 to 100 because I had to take this off because, first of all, I was throwing everything off, but second of all, I needed to throw on the Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner because if you're asking, if you've been wondering what I've been wearing on my lips, it's usually this with the Essence Water Tint, which if you can find it, it's sold out, but that's why it's sold out, because it's so good. That was my box. I'm gonna tally everything up. So the Ofra palette was $39 plus 12 plus 22 plus 20 plus 23 equals $116. Let's subtract the items that I didn't like, which really it's just that lipstick. Total value would be $94, which still isn't too bad considering I paid 25 bucks. I always enjoy making my Eyescream Beauty Box videos. I always think I find new items to love, and the new item to love today was definitely this lip gloss for me. I feel like I'm gonna use this non-stop. I already had the palette, but I fell in love with it, and I feel like it gave me an idea to depot my Ofra eyeshadow palettes and kind of make my own color stories. I feel like that would be such fun. I just need to figure out like where I can put it, or buy like a bigger magnetic thing just so I can place the items in so I don't lose anything or break anything. But I feel like that would be so fun. I enjoyed this. I'm sad that I had the palette already. When I opened the palette and I noticed, I was like, oh no, another giveaway. So I hope one of you gets to enjoy this palette, because I definitely fell in love with it today. I love the blush and the bronzer combo, and I love that I was able to also use it on the eyes. I thought that was awesome, and the formula is amazing. So if you want to win this, I will leave the rules up in the screen. I know we have a lot of giveaways going on right now. I will try not to get overwhelmed, but the rules will be on the screen. Please follow them, and I will leave the link to the Google form down below. That is the only way I can do these giveaways without scammers. And good luck to everyone. I love the black packaging. You're lucky to have the black packaging. I'm a little jelly. But yeah, I'm happy to be able to give back to you guys. You guys support me. I want to be able to give more to you guys, so hopefully one day. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you got in your ice cream beauty box, because I know there was a variation going around. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! I went on a hair. My hair is doing the thing. Do not be fooled by the color in the bottle. I hate this fucking camera. Don't buy it. Don't do it. Use your phone. I promise you it's better. Where was I? Okay, so I took it off. Sorry, I got distracted. Okay, no. Did you like the eyeliner? I don't know. It says that it's thick, making it easier to apply. I'm not sure, so let me know, and I will see you. Wait.